Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got a nice recipe for you again. Chana Daal Gosht, which is lentils and meat. A wonderful dish, a great combination of the two. Stay with me guys and I'll get straight into it. Okay guys, for this I'm going to need 1 cup of oil, cooking oil. And then I'm going to add some few bay leaves, 2 black cardamoms, about 7-8 black peppers, and about 3-4 cloves. Okay guys, once the oil's heated up, I'm going to put in the meat. I'm using mutton leg meat, about 1 kg. I'll give it a boil and give it a clean. So I'm going to stick that in. Put it in and let it cook on a medium to low heat. Okay guys, I'll let the meat cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 medium tomatoes and 3 medium onions. Okay guys, once I put these onion and garlic, tomatoes in, I'll give it a good mix. Then I'll add the herbs and spices in. Once I've put the meat in, like I said, let it cook for a bit and I mixed it with the onions and that. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri powder, and salt to taste. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to add 1 cup of water into it. That's enough water because the meat and the onions are going to release some water as well. Give this a bit of a mix now. Make sure it's nicely mixed in. Once you've mixed it in, put the lid on, let it cook. Okay guys, once I give it a mix, I'm going to put the lid on, let this cook on a medium heat until the meat's nice and tender. Okay guys, it's been about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to check it now. That should be ready. It takes about 10-12 minutes in a pressure cooker. It smells nice anyway. That looks ready. Let's check something. Yes, nice and tender. Okay guys, I've shifted it into another pan. I'm going to cook it in here for a bit. Let the water dry up a bit more. Okay guys, I've put it into this pan and I've cooked it for about 10 minutes in here. And you can see the oil's come to the top now. So I'm going to add the lentils in. I'm using 1 small bowl. Yellow lentils, chana dal. Put that in. This has been washed, soaked for about half an hour. And then I'll give it a boil, the lentils, so they go nice and tender. Give it a mix and cook it on a medium heat. Yeah, it's best to give the lentil a bit of a boil and get it nice and tender, then it don't take so long. If you put it in here, just if you soak it and put it straight in, then it takes a while for that to cook. The best thing is to give that a boil separate and get it nice and tender. Okay guys, I've put that lentils in the chana dal and I've cooked it for about 7-8 minutes because it's quite tender to start off with, it don't take long. And then I'm going to add about half a cup of coriander and 2 bullet chilies with a couple of small green chilies. Put them all in. Give it a good mix. Right. Now look at the colour on it now. Wonderful dish, I tell you guys. Once I give that a mix, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Once I've added the coriander powder in, I'm going to turn it off. Turn it off and add about a teaspoon of garam masala. And then I'm going to add fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, about a teaspoon. Alright guys, I've put the fenugreek leaves in, the kasuri methi. I'm going to take it out now. I've turned it off. Take it out and I'll show you. Look at Okay guys, I'm just going to add some fresh cut ginger on top. This will give you a nice taste. And a bit of coriander, just a bit of coriander sprinkled here about. MashaAllah, beautiful dish guys, chana dal and gosht. Please do have a go. It's just an amazing dish. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.